All right, we're going to go over a couple of plays here. This first one is the one that we've been working on in practice already, called Tiger. And with Tiger, I want you to pay close attention to where everybody is here on this, because these are probably going to be the spots that you're going to be in. You can see that I've got people that haven't even practiced with us. Bailey and Jordan will be moving back and forth quite a bit between B and C. So in the number 1 spot, Edie, Bailey, Jordan. In the number 2 spot, I could have Helena, Edie, Bailey, Jordan. In the number 3 spot, Jonia, London. In the number 4 spot, London, Riley, Jonia. And in the number 5 spot, Anya, Riley, Hayden. So here's what happens is, you need to really pay attention to what's going on in these plays, and also look to see where I might put you, because I may say you're number 4, you're number 3, you're number 2, you're number 1, and so you need to know that. Number 1 rule is the number 1 person is starting the play right here. This is number 1 because they're the first person. If we ever get a rebound or anything down here on this end of the field, these people are bringing the ball up and everybody is going up and getting in place. So when number 1 is coming up the court, they can say that we're going to run Tiger. And with Tiger, when you get to this spot, number 1, you have 2 options. You can either pass to number 2 or you can pass to number 3. That is how the play gets started. So you come down here, you're yelling Tiger, you figure out which one's open. If you pass to number 2, number 3 then runs down and around and over here to this corner, and 3 is sitting here. Number 4 moves all the way up here to where 4 is now, and number 5 comes into the center. So, and this moves quickly, so they yelled Tiger, pass to number 2, number 3 runs as fast as they can down around there, that's Johnny or London, and hopefully number 2 can pass to 3. If 3 gets blocked, 3 can pass back to 4. Somebody can take a shot. 5 posts up in here, maybe 5's available. But the play starts by confusing everybody because 3 is going to run around. The same thing holds true here with Tiger if we went the other way. Let's say we yelled Tiger, we came down here, and the first pass we go over here to number 3. Pass goes to number 3. Number 2 is now doing that same thing, running around. Number 2 is now settling right down here. Number 5 went up to here. And number 4 settles back here. 2 can take the shot, pass to 4, pass out to 5. All of that can happen again. If we're all blocked, run back to our original spots and try it again. The thing is that our job is to pass it to either 1 or 2. If I passed it to the right, 3's running around. If I passed it to the left, 2's running around. It has to be a pretty quick little pass. Pass to 2, pass to 3. By the time 2 gets it, 3's showing up right here. Everybody in the middle is defending, and they're saying, what in the world's going on? Hopefully number 3 is sitting right here with a wide open shot. That's Tiger. Remember your spots, remember where you are, and remember Tiger as the play.